Hi there, this is LTE Survival. Today's video we're looking into another SanRenMu. This one is a recall on another one I bought for its particularities. So stay tuned, we'll be right back after this. This knife has something particular. It's a SanRenMu. We do not know which blade steel it is. It's rare because SanRenMu usually gives us the blade steel right away. It is a carabiner back knife, which recalls the other one I showed you, the poker from HS Outdoor, the ZD-009. Okay. So this knife has the same characteristic as this one: lightweight, open construction, and a carabiner to be worn on your equipment. This one has no pocket clip, so it is different a bit. So I'm going to go through the characteristic and then I'll come back in the difference in between the two knives, because there is some difference. Here you see the hollow grind. It's very apparent because when you hit the tento part, can I show it to you? I had a good view earlier on. Oh, here it is. See that circle in front? Well, that's the hollow grind for the flat part and the flat grind for the tip of the tento. It's a slight drop point with a swedge on top. Tento, which brings the knife about center line, which is the usual where you want your point. This knife is a liner lock again. So let me show you the hello focus. Okay, so you see the liner lock goes straight into the middle of the blade. The construction is fairly open beside the clip part in the back. I suspect the scale to be FRN. PA66 with fiberglass. There's a big cutout to get to the liner lock. Okay, and when you close the blade, it won't reopen. Okay, I'm just showing you. It won't reopen until you do something, and this is the major difference. If I take this one, the blade will reopen if it hits anything, a branch. This one won't. You have to depress the thumb stud and push it. So if I do it again, let me go with my thumb. If I just push to get the blade out, nothing works. If I push on it and then slide out, then it works. I'm going to try to give you a close-up on that action. Okay, but it's going to be difficult because the camera doesn't want to focus very well there. Let me try. Okay. See the space on the thumb stud there? If I push on it, you'll see the ball coming out. See that? Okay. Here you go. So that's the detent to get the blade out. So that's the only way the blade, see that? You see when I close the blade. Okay, I'm going to close the blade. See the thumb stud go up, pop. So that's where the blade is blocking into the knife. So that's a nice feature. So if you're carrying this one on your equipment, the blade might deploy. This one, the blade won't deploy. So that's why the only carry option is either in bottom of your pocket or the carabiner. So push the thumb stud, flick the blade open, it works like a charm. Okay, and when you bring it back down, you'll hear it click. Okay, big detent ball. It works perfectly. So it is a safety measure. Some people call it a safety thumb stud. Okay, because you can block the blade. Hey, new cup. Okay, for Christmas engineering. So Lieutenant Commander Scotty, hey, got your cup. So This is the particularity of this knife. It's a small knife, still a small knife, not much bigger than the other one. It's a 4-finger. It fits 4, not much more, but at least it fits. And with the added thickness, it's easier to take in hand. Some people call it a little slippery, but it does the job. It has enough shape, okay, to not slide into your hand. So this one is very geometric. This one is very sleek, okay. But another knife that's really good from SanRenMu. It's many companies should hire SanRenMu to do that knife, because for the price point they're doing it right. So auto grind, of course, cuts usually like butter. Okay, let's try to go slow. Okay, it's been a year or so that I have it in my drawer, so but we can always make a knife sharper. Why do I close it? So basically, and you'll hear the ball, the thumb stud move in and out, okay, when you shake the blade when it's open, but when it's closed you don't hear it. So it's another good thing from SanRenMu. Pretty impressed with the knife of SanRenMu. They're really good. So that's it. Not much I can show you on a small knife. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe, and we'll see you back in the next video.